Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, ayan nga pala si Queen. Today is Wednesday, October 11. So, ayan. Nagpapasipayer siya. And then, yung kuya niya wala ngayon pasok. At may ginagawa naman siya. Ayun siya, oh. Ayan. Nagsusulat ang kuya niya. Tapos may nakasabit na plastic sa likuran niya kasi lagayan ng basura. Tissue yung nakalagay dyan. So, ayan lang. Queen? Queen? Say hi, madlang people. Mabuhay. Mini-miss you. Uy! Uy! Hi, guys! Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Ay, no. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, guys!